I was doing some niche research on YouTube and came across this new viral niche that no one has talked about yet called geography niche. This niche is achieving record numbers even on TikTok through the kind of videos you are watching now in front of you. And the best example is the GeoGlobe Tales channel, which has surpassed 1 million subscribers with just 83 videos. These videos have garnered over 500 million views. The surprise is not here, but because they are all short, not exceeding a minute, and this channel earns approximately $100,000 per month. But these videos are not easy to create because until now they have required advanced motion graphic skills and complex tools like After Effects and Premiere Pro. Unless you carefully follow this video, you will make your first video completely by AI. So let's go. The first step is to come up with an idea and write a script for the video. To find great topics, go to DeepSeek and ask it to generate trending video ideas based on different countries and regions. Here's an example. I asked DeepSeek to give me 10 currently trending geographic video ideas about countries and regions. Alright, let's send the prompt. As you can see, ideas are created at lightning speed. Now all you have to do is choose a topic from among the 10 topics. I think this topic has a great idea. Why don't Dubai's skyscrapers fall into the desert? So I'm going to copy it. In the same conversation, I asked him to write a for this topic that does not exceed 1 minute in a simple style and without complex words. Now, as usual, send the request, then wait a bit. The script will be written with scenes that may help us later. Alright guys, we finished setting up the easiest step of the process before moving on to the next step. I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Our goal this year is to reach 10,000 warriors. Now let's move on to the second step, which is generating a voiceover. For this we will use the well-known tool 11 Labs. We will not take long in this step. Now on your left, go to the voices section, then directly click on library. Well, in order not to get lost among the thousands of voices in the library, use this bar to get to the right voice faster. First choose the language. I will leave it English, then the accent. For me, the best is the American accent. Now just choose the tone. I think the tone, narrative, and story is suitable for this type of video. Alright, now that we're here, take your time to listen to some of the voiceovers and then choose the one you think is right for you. For me, I would search for a voiceover artist I've tried before called Brian the Ring exclaimed Frodo has he left me that I think it's very suitable for this type of video, so I'll add it. Now all you have to do is go to the text-to-speech section and select the voiceover we just added. Now go back to DeepSeek, copy each part of the script separately. Paste it into this box, then click on Generate. Finally, download it from this icon. Then repeat this process with the remaining parts of the script. Okay guys, we just finished the second easiest step. So let's move on to the third step, which is making videos using AI tool. This tool is called Hera.video. You will find its link below the video in the description and comments box. Hera is the ultimate tool for creating AI-powered motion graphics in seconds instead of hours. As you can see, these are some ready-to-use templates. It is really worth trying. I'll come back up to show you an example of what this tool can do. It literally hacks time, not just bullshit. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this tool while it is free. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to this tab. If you click on the Watch Demo button, it will direct you to a short 3-minute guide that explains how to use the tool step by step. But for now, let's explore the templates section. There are plenty of options to choose from. However, the most important ones are these templates here, which we'll use to create our videos. So let's try out this one. Click on it, then hit Use this template. First thing, we will change the video size to 9:16. Now that the video is about Dubai, I will write in the prompt box. First highlight the Middle East, then highlight the United Arab Emirates and zoom in. Then highlight Dubai and zoom in. Now send the prompt and wait a bit. Now upload an image of the flag of the country you are working on and then ask him again. Highlight United Arab Emirates and then attach the flag to the country of United Arab Emirates. Finally, export the video from this button. Okay guys, now we will enter the most fun step in this process, which is the video editing step. For that we will use CapCut program. So the first thing we're going to do is upload the audio and video files. Then we're going to start editing the audio file and cutting out the silent parts like this so the viewer stays more interested. Then we're going to insert the video over the voiceover. Then go to the caption section and click on Generate. The caption will then be added. Then on the right, go to the template section to choose a style for the caption. Here it is up to you. Choose what you think is appropriate. For me, this is a very appropriate style, so I will rely on it. Then add the adjustment bar and go down and then pass this line called vignette a little bit to get some shadows on the corners. Finally, all that remains is to export the video.